Hi dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is MD Alias Gauru. Welcome to new another parts of video of Planet Automation Limited. Today I'm gonna show you how to control any kinds of booster pump and details working procedure of any kinds of booster pump. No late, let's get into the video. Probably this is the very important video in our show in here. I hope you guys enjoy of this video. Today's topic said is the booster pump. It's very important in our practical sector, in domestic area, residential area, or any kinds of industrial factor. A specific booster pump, how to control this booster pump system and how to work a booster pump, I will describe in this video. Initial topics to object levels in here. So first I want to describe what will you have in this video. What is booster pump? Definitions and details also, okay. And 2 number is how does it work? Very important. And 3 is classifications of a booster pump. And 4 is applications of a booster pump. Which applicable sector we are mostly use this booster pump. Let's get into the video for details. What is a booster pump? Compressor you see in here. This is the compressor with the booster pump, one of the parts in here. A pressure switch you see in here. And third is the union. Okay, this is the most important for any kinds of booster pump systems. Pump of our main devices in this booster pump. Okay. Pressure gauge, very important. How much pressure inlet in our pump, the times its pressure gauge is indicated to us. This pressure limit we are controlling in here. So friends, first is this is the compressor, which is continuously pressure create on our pump, and basically both bulbs, which is control of our water level. Pressure switch, which is control of our water level minimum to maximum level, our requirements such as 4 to 16 bar. So 4 is our minimum requirements and 16 our maximum requirement. 4 is our initial point, which point is touched the times our pump will be run, and when our pressure will be approach 16th bar, the times its pump will be off. So this is the minimum requirement and maximum requirement which is set in our this pressure switch. And this is the union. Union is the must be very important devices in any kinds of a booster pump controlling system. When we are detached of our motor, the times this union is knob systems work. When we are any kinds of problem face in our pump, we are detached of our panels. That times this union, when we are unlock of our this union, its pump will be easily we are detached to our panel. So friends, this is the complete booster pump system. So friends, now I want to tell about what is the booster pump in definitions. Okay, I hope you guys understand. This is the physical booster pump in here. A booster pump is a machine which will increase the pressure of a fluid that may be used with liquids or gases, but the construction's details will vary depending on the fluid. A gas booster is similar to a gas compressor, but generally a simpler mechanism which often has only a single stage of compression and is used to increase pressure of a gas already above ambient pressure. 2-stage boosters are also match boosters may be used for increasing gas pressure, transferring high pressure gas, charging gas cylinders, and scavenging. So friends, this is the main important topics of our this booster pump, which is control of our any kinds of liquid systems, gas systems, absolutely any kinds of flow systems which we are controlled by this booster pump, which is operated by compressor, pressure, control of our any kinds of valve, such as solenoid valve, the cylindrical valve. That's why we are use of this booster pump in our practical sector of any kinds of residential area, any kinds of industry, any kinds of domestic area also. So friends, I hope you guys understand. This is the booster pump which is controlled by compressor, gas, or any kinds of airflow. Next topics I want to describe how does it work. Okay, very important questions. How does it work and how to control of our this booster pump in our practical sector. A booster pump boosts water pressure and in many cases improves the flow rate. A booster pump works just like a fan. A fan has blades that spin around to increase the air movement, and a booster pump has an impeller inside that increases water flow and pressure in the same fashion. So this is the our working procedure of a booster pump, which is work with the pressure. And this is the cases we know any kinds of submersible pump, any kinds of centrifugal pump, which is work with the blades. Blades is the work with the kinetic speeds. Booster pump, which is basically works for the air pressure. Okay, air pressure mainly we are control of our any kinds of bulb systems, any kinds of flow systems in our pipelines. Okay, so friends, its facility will work the normal pressure equals to 10 psi without pressure booster pump in such conditions. And this working and housing system motor fan readings, this is the high level to low levels, and this readings fields is increasing step is high and our pressure is low. That times our pump is running automatically. Tap is off, it will be stopped off our shower right now, and this is the running situation. Friends, this is a 24/7 supply of our any kinds of flow system of water. The times its pump is automatically on. The prevent of a dry run motor will automatically stop when there are no water in the OST. Flow system maintained continuously. This is the advantages of a booster pump. A waterfall like effect and methods to the body, improves blood circulations, acts as a discharger and refresh us due to quick battering water in conserves, avoids blockage in inside of the pipeline. So friends, now I will discuss classifications of a booster pump. This is the most important when we are control of any kinds of booster pump. And first we want to how much booster pump we are implement in our any kinds of practical sector. It's very important. In industrial applications, booster pumps are used in pipelines, and some process systems. Types of booster pumps includes vertical and horizontal multi-stage, split cage and submersible multi-stage. Our booster pump lines include Berkeley, Barks, Glowers, Fry's pump and Steroids. So friends, first is vertical and horizontal multi-stage. This is very important, very much applicable in our any kinds of industry. And this is the vertical stage multi-stage systems in here, and this is also the multi-stage systems is the twin and twin. That means four vertical multi-stage systems in here. This is the our all the horizontal multi-stage booster pump systems. We are also called this is the twin system. Okay, this is also twin and twin. That means fourth vertical multi-stage systems, and this is the horizontal twin systems. Suction line. And this is our main outlets pump, which is connected to our overhead tank here. Second is the split cage and submersible multi-stage. This is the also very important, and this is our main multi-stage axial split cage pump. This is the special booster pump which is control any kind of specific sector or very rare, and this is the very significant sector we are control of this kinds of multi-stage axial split cage pump we are used. And this is the our main fire booster pump and emergency sector, which is very important. So friends, this is split and submersible multi-stage types of booster. And Berkeley booster is a very important and rare also, and this is the fourth is Barks booster pumps or Gold's booster pump here. And these types of pump we are the work in a specific sector of pump we are used for any kinds of domestic or any kinds of industrial area. Now I want to describe fourth is applications of booster pumps. It's very important. First is moving water off a hill. It's very important. Need extra force of water flow. That times any kinds of flow. That times this booster pump is work because it's work not pump blade pressure. It's also work to the external compression pressure. I hope you guys understand. And this is the ball or feet continuously 24/7 services need implementations or water supplies need at times. 3 is a beneficial pressure maintenance. It's also very much need for any kinds of domestic area. And fourth is pumping water up through a high-rise building. It's also work such as the moving water off a hill. 5 is high pressure cleaning and spraying systems, car cleaning or any kinds of bike cleaning systems. This is spraying or any kinds of cleaning systems, too much work or pressure is needed. The times is booster pump is needed. And 6 is filtrations or reverse osmosis systems. It's also important or any kinds of filtering or water treatment system. The SBHE system is also for any kinds of industry. The times SBHE system is also implemented by booster pump. And 8 is a general purpose cleaning. And 9 is anywhere where higher pressure are required. Anywhere. And this is the main applicable sector or main wiring system or if any kinds of booster. You see in here, this is the inlet of water and this is the controlling valve main inlet controlling valve, and this is the also bypass valve close, which is inlet and outlet close here. And so this is the very much important, and this is the main valve which is controlled through the inlet water flow, and this is the our pressure reducing valve, our extra pressure in suction, the times release of our suction pressure. And this is the union, and the union is very important when we are sharp of our pump. The times it's union and this joining union, and this is the attached of our motor union, which is a detached, and bypass systems we are automatically used in here. And this is outlet valve, which is the control of output water pressure. No today, now the end. Dear viewers, if you like video of Planet Automation Limited, please subscribe the channel and then click the bell icon. This process will never miss another new update.